A few miles later, while trying to pass a semi-truck on the shoulder, she lost control of the car and crashed into a pickup truck.
See, you could have just slowed down. Oh, that bitch. Oh!
Household CFO, managing where the money needs to go. When I first learned about Wealthfront.
Oh! That shit flipped over. Oh my goodness, that shit is Mackie sauce. Woo! Boy, that thing crushed like a little can, boy. Boy, that thing like this. That thing like, yo, that shit's flat, bro. Like, that shit is mush.
On February 1st, 2024, a Marion County Sheriff's deputy responded to a call at the Forest Shopping Center in Silver Springs, Florida, regarding a woman attempting to steal another woman's car.
So, we got motion. We got a high-speed chase in a parking lot. Turns deadly. Let's see what happens.
When the deputy arrived, the woman approached his patrol car, acting as if she were the one who had called for help. As the deputy walked around the back of his vehicle to speak with her, she suddenly jumped through the open passenger side window and led law enforcement on a high-speed 4.5-mile chase.
No. She hopped in a V? She hopped in his V.
Stop!
Why she hopped and stole in his V though? Like, she a gangster. I ain't gonna lie, gang. She dead ass a gangster. This happened in the beginning of the year. This shit fake loud.
Were you the one who called us?
Yes.
Miso could save the fast food industry up to $24 billion a year. With industry-leading strategic...
I'm still, like, really shaking.
What she trying to steal, though? She tried to steal somebody else's car. She fuck around and stole his car. What? What?
She tried to reach in and grab the keys from my vehicle. At first, she asked me for a ride, said she needed to get out of this place.
During the pursuit, she drove into oncoming traffic, ignored all traffic signals, and reached speeds of up to 125 miles per hour, nearly causing multiple collisions.
But yeah, she digging in that shit. She got the wheel for real. She in a whole other lane. She wily. Oh, cut up. Woo! Cut up. Cut up, shawty. She wild, bro. Why she even steal a cop car though? Like, what you going for? What you got going on in your life? You need to steal a cop car. Where you gonna hide that motherfucker? Where you gonna hide the cop car till you ain't got no garage? I'm not stealing no cop car, bro. Like, where the fuck is you putting that shit? You gonna change the color? Like, you gonna...
I need help. This is a fake.
That's her? That's her talking? She don't know how to turn the sirens on. Nah, they about to cause an accident with this motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie, twin. She digging though. If y'all watched the last reaction video when the guy stole the cop car, same thing, he crashed out. So let's see how her crash out is. She at 114 right now. Why she in the opposite lane is my question. You don't got no sirens on or nothing. Like, niggas gotta know you not a cop. But it's like, it's okay cause you a cop, you feel me? They think you a cop. Digging though. Pushing this motherfucker. 125. Shorty hopped on the other side of the car and stole it. How you let her steal it when you on the passenger side of the car, bro? She's on the passenger side of the car. She did that shit fast. She ditching this shit?
It's a real fuck my name that.
We're now passing the way station, still eastbound. And we're still eastbound past the way station.
Is she about to go past them? What if they think she not a? What if they think she's regular? That would be crazy. But this shit most likely got a tracker, son. Oh nah, yeah, they know.
This is wrong.
They know.
Deputies deployed stop sticks ahead, but she noticed the police vehicle with its lights on and turned around to avoid them, nearly losing control of the vehicle.
Safety 316, should advise they're coming up behind an 18-wheeler. And she's turning around. She's conducting a U-turn. She is going eastbound.
I'm weak. Shorty did a whole Yui. Oh. That bitch sliding. That big forward slime twin. Gotta catch it. I knew he knew that was her though. He turned around too.
She turned around. Okay, bitch. No, we're coming for you. Not that, I'm not.
What? What is she talking about? She talking herself. She.
I promise. I promise.
A few miles later, while trying to pass a semi-truck on the shoulder, she lost control of the car and crashed into a pickup truck.
See, you could have just slowed down. Oh, that bitch. Oh! That shit flipped over. Oh my goodness, that shit is Mackie sauce. Woo! Boy, that thing crushed like a little can, boy. Boy, that thing like this. That thing like, yo, that shit's flat, bro. Like that shit is smush. They put that thing in slow motion. Somebody who died? Who died, bro? Just tell me, like, who crashed out? That's wacky.
Stay away from the car! Stay away from the car! Back up! Back up! Back up! Back up!
16316, back to the force, and next to 18.
We got another vehicle over here. You guys okay?
Signal for another vehicle.
That's why you need insurance for. I ain't gonna lie. Hell no. Hell no. What the hell?
I don't know where she's at. There's somebody in that driver's side.
She's right there. She's right here. She's right here. Get them, get them, get them.
Oh, it's on fire.
Marion, I got the police crews. They're on fire.
Oh, that shit is crushed.
Norris, get my fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher. Get it over here. Get it over here. It's really hot right here. Really hot. Really hot.
Where's yours? Be right here.
She in that mode. She in that mode. She in it, Slim.
Mine's unlocked. It's unlocked. It's unlocked. It should be on the right. Do we have any contact talking?
I heard somebody talking in this car right here.
At least 3 occupants? Sheriff's office, everyone okay?
Oh,
60,
nah.
60 minutes. I got 3 occupants unresponsive in the other vehicle.
Hey, all. Not all of them, twin. Like, they went real head on, gang. Like, boom. Like, fully head on, bro. Like, that's mad wow,
I
bro.
need 1 fire extinguisher over here. Fire extinguisher! Fire extinguisher!
Nah, pray for these families, bro. No, bro. She wild for that, bro.
Yeah, I'm trying to make sure that this is.
She not even. She don't even got the will to be doing that. Like, what you doing, mommy?
Check this one.
There's a flame coming through that firewall, but.
She should be on this one. If she's right there, I don't know if you can get through that hole.
I know he's spraying that shit on her. He gotta be. He's spraying it right on her.
We got the roadblock. Next on the way. Unresponsive.
I can't get to the one on the right though.
Okay. They're gonna have to chop it out.
Not all of them, bro. I gotta fast forward a little bit, bro. Like, this is
You're not
wild.
are you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where she was at? Why she doing all of this?
You okay? Okay. Sit down if you need to. 7. She.
That's a free job, for you could just sit down. Nah, this is too much for me right now. I gotta take a break. Oh my god. Sure, I ain't gonna make fun of her because shit's scary. That's a scary job.
How is Woody? Is he okay?
I believe Liddy's fine.
This is a wild one. Like, I gotta really sit back. Like, if you still in tune to the video, comment, bro. You gotta comment, bro. It's wild.
You moving?
I'm so fucking mad right now, bro.
Bro, she mad.
No, it's not. I'm pissed off at her because now she just fucking caused 3 people to fucking die because she wanted to think about the patrol car.
Yeah, everybody. Yeah, it's over.
Okay.
It's over for this.
You're good.
I'm not sure what updates you've had.
They got a chopper in a car.
And it looks like the 3 occupants of the black truck are all units coming on scene. Keep the roadway clear so medics can pull down Highway 40.
They definitely. Oh, they had to cut the body camera off.
Pull down the opposite lane of travel.
Crazy sounds in here.
They had to cut the body cam off because that's wild. I'm trying to see if they show it. I know they're not gonna really show it. Oh, they got one. Why his body like that?
She and 2 occupants of the truck were pronounced dead on scene, while a 3rd occupant taken to a local hospital in critical condition.
Damn, 1 person survived? Oh my goodness. No, let's finish it out. Oh my goodness, only 1 person, bro. In critical condition, bro, like, and then you died. That's mad wild, bro. And nobody can't do nothing about it, bro. Like, she's a crash out, bro. Like, female crash out. Don't think, just do dumb shit. Like, bro, I'm not even laughing. Like, I'm not laughing at that, bro. But like, bro, I'm tight, bro. Like, no matter the color, the race, don't matter none of that, bro. Like, she wild for that, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I gotta change up like how I'm speaking right now, cause like I'm not even excited no more for the reaction video. I'm just tight, cause like, damn, you crashed out for that. It's crazy, man. I'm gonna drop it right now. Same day, fo. I just recorded this a few minutes ago. If you see it's posted right now, same day, fo. We got more shit. We get my like, comment, subscribe. If this was a crazy reaction video, please comment, bro. Let me know what you think. What's your perspective on this video? Check out my podcast. Just dropped 2 videos and drop another one in 2 days. I say we grinding, we locked in. So on this YouTube shit, we gonna get this shit up off the ground. And if you out there doing content, bro, keep grinding. Grind, don't stop till motherfucking casket drop, bro. That's how this shit go. We out.